Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. On a bit of good news, just reporting that dancehall entertainer BeenieMan's mother was released from the hospital, and we have an update to bring to you right now on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. What are you doing? Have you clicked that notification bell just yet? Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and welcome back to another exciting program. So good news coming outside of the entertainment field right now, as dancehall recording artist BeenieMan is reporting that his mother is out the hospital. As you know, BeenieMan went on an Instagram live some weeks ago and reported that his mother had gotten a stroke and was hospitalized with that. And during that visit to the hospital, BeenieMan also made a kind donation to the hospital by giving them a flat screen inch TV. So we have some updates to bring to you right now as it relates to that. So the dancehall legend BeenieMan is thanking his family and friends and fellow industry players and fans for their prayers after his mother was released from the hospital earlier this week. Earlier this month, the entertainer's mother was hospitalized at the University Hospital of the West Indies after suffering a series of stroke. According to BeenieMan, on Saturday, the dancehall DJ used his Instagram to provide social media users of his mother's health condition. He also used the online platform to thank Minister Marion Hall, formerly known as Lady Saw, for her special prayers and the doctors for their support as well. In the meantime, a number of industry players also took the time to send positive message to dancehall entertainer BeenieMan. Those include Coffee, Ching Ching, and also Shaggy, just to name a few. In the meantime, BeenieMan had this to say to his fans and also his friends who wish him well during this difficult time. Let's go over to that now.
I just want to thank each and everyone who sent out prayers the other day for my moms and all their heartfelt good wishes. And thank you very much to all my co-workers who sent out prayers. And I get a straight prayer from Lady Star, Marianal. I thank you very much. And my mom is out of the hospital right now. She's not out of the woods yet, but she's better than when she went in, and she's doing very well. So I thank you, because they say prayers is very strong, and I think all that prayers and the help with the doctors and the help from the doctors and each and every one. Thank you very much. And my mom is home now and she's doing better, but she's not out of the woods yet. But thank you for your prayers. And my family, thank, and each and every family members of my family, thank all of you very, 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 very much.
So there you have it from the dancehall entertainer himself, taking the time out just to thank his fans, his friends, and also his well wishers for those kind prayers and kind gratitude that was bestowed upon him based on the fact that his mother was in the hospital and she's actually doing very well now. He also took the time just to thank his friends and also everyone that played a part in the safe resolution to the problem that his mother was having, especially the doctors as well at the hospital. So that's where we're gonna leave this one here for now, and just say hope that BeenieMan mother just pull through this and just continue to just maintain that focus, BeenieMan, and just continue to do your thing. But we are very happy to report that BeenieMan mother is out the hospital right now and everything is going steadily. Alright, so this is just Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and guess what? We're out for another one.